The Kira Home Payton is a gorgeous semi-flush mount designed to provide a farmhouse feel to your space. The Payton is perfect to install in a hallway or entryway, over a dining room table, or even in a modern foyer or lobby. This sleek light features a well-built galvanized steel frame with a complementary wood accent in bleached oak style. This adds to the modern farmhouse feel of this fixture. The premium galvanized steel finish on the Payton is not often seen on the Amazon marketplace. It is durable and matches with the bleached oak wood of the fixture and goes well with the modern and industrial styles. The refined open cage design allows you to customize it with different bulbs, like a vintage Edison bulb, a vintage round bulb, or LED bulbs to make it shine even brighter. The design of the Payton is incredibly unique, with a height of 10¼ inch and a 14-inch diameter. Its size allows it to fit in many areas of your home, while providing an ample light output with its beautiful open design. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Payton is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Payton is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space. These items will say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. This is simply a tactic to cut a corner and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.